but Skoda lacks in public brand awareness it makes up for with quality vehicles. The new Skoda Kodiaq is a well-judged European family SUV that can be driven away for $46K. That alone should get you thinking. The Skoda Kodiaq 7-seat crossover has arrived in Australia, designed to attract a whole new group of buyers to the brand. As a key member of the Volkswagen Group, Skoda is growing across Europe and Asia, and new vehicles such as the Kodiaq will maintain its momentum. In the Czech-made Kodiaq's crosshairs are rivals such as the Kia Sorento and Hyundai Santa Fe, plus 7-seat versions of the Honda CR-V, Nissan X-Trail and Mitsubishi Outlander. We've already compared the Skoda to Mazda's bigger CX-9 and found it an appealing proposition, albeit one suited to 5 occupants, with occasional use of the third row for kids. Additionally, Skoda's famous clever packaging techniques and utilitarian bent make it the perfect brand to branch out into the large SUV segment. As you can read in more detail here, the Kodiaq comes in only one variation for now, with all-wheel drive as standard, priced at $42,990 before on-road costs. Standard is an 8.0-inch touchscreen, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth phone and audio streaming, rear-view camera, autonomous emergency braking AEB and adaptive LED headlights. There's also Alcantara suede seat inserts, LED interior lighting, a proximity sensor in the key fob, an electric tailgate, 19-inch wheels and radar-guided cruise control that mirrors